Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by picking a focused topic and stating 1 or 2 learning goals so the activity has direction. Once chosen, scan 3 reliable sources, at least 1 primary, and make photocopies or digital extracts for students. Next, set up a 30-45 minute timeline and list simple materials: maps, images, index cards. Make sure to assign roles or stations now so you can move straight into the activity without wasting class time. You lead groups through structured exploration by assigning roles like recorder, researcher, and presenter so responsibility is clear. Once groups begin, give each station a focused task and a set of guided questions that probe bias, context, and reliability. These questions should direct analysis rather than dictate answers. Make sure to rotate groups every 10-12 minutes so everyone encounters evidence, chronology, and interpretation. You finish by having each group present a concise, evidence-based claim in 3-4 minutes, citing at least 1 primary source. Once done, guide a brief whole-class reflection that connects claims to the learning goals and administer a single quick formative task to check understanding. If things go wrong, students off-task or confused, simplify roles immediately, reduce the number of stations, or add extra station time so groups can complete 1 clear product. This restores momentum and ensures learning outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.